أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. Today, inshallah, we will complete the volume part we started yesterday. So the last question we solved, it was question number 298. In page number 298, question number 5. In page number 298, question number 5. So in this question, we have two solids. We have cylinder and the sphere. He said that the total surface area of the cylinder equal the total surface area of the sphere, and also the height of the cylinder equal the height of the sphere. We saw that the height of the sphere is equals to its diameter, so equals to radii. We found the surface area of the sphere, then we made quadratic equation of the radius of the cylinder, and we found the cylinder using the general formula x equal negative b positive or negative the square root of b power 2 minus 4ac over 2a. So first, if you have any question, you can ask. So I opened the mics now, so take care. If you have any question, you can ask.
ممكن تدقي لي انا ما
Yahya?
تدقي لي
Mr. I have a question.
Yes, Yahya.
Yes. In the homework.
Ask.
Okay.
It was in the workbook page number.
119 and 120.
Yes. So the question in page number
119.
119.
2C.
2C.
Yes.
Read
and
it.
120. Calculate the total surface
Do you have
area
anything
of the
else except
Yes.
119 2C?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, I have the next page, number D. Yes, I
Okay,
have
okay.
120, number D.
Yahya, I'll give your friends time to solve it because some of your friends didn't solve the homework. So inshallah, I'll give them today to solve it, and inshallah we can discuss it inshallah the next time. Okay. Okay. So the last thing we studied yesterday, it was x equals a negative b positive or negative the square root of p power 2 minus 4ac over 2. Today, inshallah, we will start the volume of the pyramid. Volume of the pyramid equals third multiply the area of the base multiply the perpendicular height. Third multiply the area of the base multiply perpendicular height. In your book, page number 299, exercise 27.17. 27.17. A. We want someone to solve exercise 1, 27.17 in 299. Find the volume of each of the following pyramids. Raise your hand to answer. Yet.
No, Mr.
Start yet.
First of all, it will be 1 over 3.
1 over 3.
Multiply 5, multiply 4. 5, 4, 20.
Yet the base in the form of the shape of the base is
Square.
Square or rectangle?
Rectangle.
Rectangle because two different dimensions. We have 4 and 5, so it's rectangle. So how to calculate the area of the base? The area of the base will be length multiply width. So length multiply width means 5 multiply 4. So it will
20.
be 1 over 3. Your friend Iyad said, Mr. Rahman, it will be 1 over 3 multiply 5 multiply 4. What is this? This is third area of the base. Then I'll multiply the product
By
by
perpendicular height 6.
By the perpendicular height, and the perpendicular height equals 6. That's right. So the answer, Iyad, will be?
First of all, it will be 20 multiply 6.
Mm-hmm.
It will be 120.
Yes, it will be 120, but 120 divided 3 equals 40
Yeah.
centimeter cube because it's a volume. Thank you, Dr. Iyad. Excellent. So the next shape at the same page at 299, he gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexagonal pyramid, hexagonal based pyramid, and he gave me the area of the base equal 50 centimeters. 50 centimeters square is the area of the base. So only the boys. So we need girl to solve question number 2 in page 299, exercise 27:17. Yahya is raising his hand. Baha, Hashim, Yazan. So I'll choose girl. So we have Kenzi, Mustafa, Yazan. Kenzi, unmute. Kenzi, you can solve.
1 over 3.
Yes, it will be 1 over 3.
multiply by 50.
1 over 3 multiply 1 over 3 multiply 50, and the 50 is the area of the base, multiply
By 8, which is the
multiply
height.
8. The perpendicular height is 8. Thank you. So 50 multiply 8 equals 400.
400.
Yes, it will be 400. 400 multiply 1 equal 400. It will be 400 over 3. And the unit, don't
100.
forget, the unit is centimeter square. Any problem?
No.
So thanks, doctor. Thanks, Kenzie. So question number 3. We have something new in question number 3. Maybe hard, but let's remember. Do you remember the Pythagoras theorem? If we have a right angle triangle, so we have 3 sides. Number 1, A, and the A is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. B and C named the sides of the right angle. So we have H, hypotenuse, and we have the sides of the right angle. The length of the hypotenuse square equal the sum of the squares of the 2 sides of the right angle. So A square equals B squared plus C squared. A square equals B squared plus C squared. For example, if the length of B is 3 centimeters, if the length of B is 6 centimeters, and the C is 8 centimeters, who can find the length of A? Who can find the A? It will be A square equals 6 square plus 8 square. A square equals 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square equals 36. And 8 square equals 64. So A square equals 36 plus 64 equals 100. Then A equals the square root of 100. Then A equals 10 centimeters. Or we can write the rule directly. The length of the hypotenuse equals the square root of B square plus C square. A equals the square root of B square plus C square. That's right. For example, who can solve A? Who can find the A? Who can find the value of A in this triangle? Mustafa? Problem in the mic. Ahmed Adil.
Equal, Mr. the square root of 4 power 2 plus 3 power 2.
Yes, excellent. So A equal the square root of 4 power 2 plus 3 power 2. Then A equals the square root of 4 power 2, Ahmed, equals
4 power 2 equal 16.
And 3 power 2 equals 9. 16
9.
plus 9 equals
16 plus 9 equal 25.
So square root of 25 equals
Equal 5.
5 centimeters. So the length of the hypotenuse here equals 5 centimeters. I think it's not hard. That's right.
Yes.
So please, my sons, go to your book again. Page number 299. Question number 3, exercise 27.17. He gave me, can you see the pyramid? The pyramid, the base of the pyramid is right triangle. The base is a right triangle. We have 2 sides. We have the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse equals 10. And we have one of the 2 sides. One of the 2 sides. So we can write the missing side, we can name it B, missing side B, equals what? Equals the square root of 10 power 2 minus 6 power 2. The square root of 10 power 2, Mr. Abdurrahman, 10 is the hypotenuse? Yes, because 10 is opposite to the right angle. Because the side 10 is opposite to the right angle. So 10 is the hypotenuse, it will be 10 power 2 minus 6 power 2. So the missing side B of the base equals 10 power 2 equals 100 minus 6 power 2, 36 equals the square root of 64 means 8 centimeters. So the missing side is 8. So now I know the two sides of the right angle. The two sides of the right angle here are 6 and 8. 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Who can find the area of the base now? The area of the base. Baha. Hur.
Mister, I do not understand.
Yes, I know. I know you will ask this question. So, doctor, what you can't understand? How to find the missing side of the right angle triangle? Using
Yes.
Pythagoras theorem?
Yes.
Yes,
Why?
very good. So, let's go back to the right triangle again. The right angle triangle has 3 sides. Right angle triangle with 3 sides. The side which is opposite to the right angle named the hypotenuse. Okay, so H. And we have 2 sides of the right angle. Let's name it A and B. If you want to find the length of H, it will be the square root of A power 2 plus B power 2. Okay? If you want to find one of the 2 sides, A or B, so A equal the square root of the hypotenuse power 2 minus B power 2. And B equal the square root of H power 2 minus A power 2. So if you want to find the hypotenuse, the largest side, you will add. If you want to find one of the 2 sides of the right angle, you will subtract. It's hard?
No.
Okay, now back to your question. 10 is the hypotenuse. You can see. Why? Because it's opposite to the right angle. Can you see the small yellow square?
Where is it? Oh, yes.
In your book page 299, the green pyramid. Can you see it?
Yes.
So
Yes,
he
sir,
gave me
number.
that the hypotenuse equals 10, one of the 2 sides equals 6, and he's asking me to find the third side. That's right.
Yes.
How to find one of the 2 sides of the right angle? We will add or we will subtract.
Correct. We will
Very good, subtract. Excellent. We will subtract because we have already the hypotenuse. We have 10. So it will be 10 power 2 minus 6 power 2. This will give me the third side. Any problem, my daughter?
No.
Okay. Now, the third side, we found it. It's 8 centimeters. We will use 6 and 8 to calculate the area of the triangle. Do you remember area of triangle equals what?
By base by height.
The area of the right angle triangle or the area of the triangle equals half multiply base multiply height. We found that the base is 6 and the height is 8. I think now you can find the area of this triangle.
Yes.
Yes, this is your turn to answer. Answer now, please, my daughter.
Will be half multiplied by 8 multiplied by 6.
Super
I
excellent.
must find my.
It will be half multiply 8 multiply 6. Half multiply 8 multiply 6 equal 24 centimeters. Do you remember how to find the volume of the pyramid?
It's equal 1/3 multiplied by base multiplied by height.
Yes, it will be 1/3 multiply
Multiply.
24. 24 is the area of the base. Now multiply the height of the pyramid. The height of the pyramid equals what, my daughter? Look at the shape again.
8.
Equals
Equals 8.
8. Very good. So it will be 1/3 multiply 24 multiply 8 equals 8 multiply 8 equals 64 centimeter cube. It's clear now? I hope you understood.
Mister, can you go a little bit up so that I can write?
Can I?
Go a little bit up so that I can write.
So I think problem in the voice, I can't hear. The last shape, shape number 4. Who can solve it? It's easier than number 3. How to find the volume of pyramid number 4? Al-Jazi?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, you can solve now. The first question is, how to calculate the volume of the pyramid?
1/3 multiply area of base multiply height.
Okay, so it will be 1/3 multiply. The base is a rectangle here in shape number 4. The dimensions of the rectangle are 6 and 7. Can you find its area?
Half multiply 6 multiply 7.
It will be 6 multiply 7, but 1 minute. It's not a triangle, it's a rectangle.
Yes,
so it's
rectangle.
length multiply width without half. Okay?
Yes.
If a
42.
triangle, we will use half multiply base multiply height.
Yes.
Okay, so 3rd multiply 6 multiply 7. This is area of the base multiply 3rd. So the missing is
Height.
height. And the height here equals
5.
5 centimeters. So it will be 3rd multiply 6 multiply 7 multiply half multiply 5. So it will be 70 centimeters.
70.
Very good. 70 centimeter cube. And this is the volume of the 4th shape. Any problem?
No.
Okay, thanks. Please open your book, page number 300. Go to page 300. The surface area of the pyramid. If he asked me to calculate the surface area of the pyramid, I'll find the area of each face. And I'll add all these areas. He said in the book, the surface area of the pyramid is found simply by adding together the areas of all its faces. The areas of all of its faces. But we have problem. So I'll teach you something strange. Today we will study a new rule to calculate the area of the triangle. We know that the area of the triangle equal half multiply base multiply height. But my sons, if we don't have height, for example, look at this triangle. This triangle ABC, it's not a right angle triangle and we don't know its height. So we will use a new rule. The new rule of calculating the area of triangle is half multiply the product of two sides. Again, half multiply the product of two sides multiply sine the included angle. Multiply sine the included angle. You can use your calculator to find the result. Again, the area of the triangle equals, Yazan?
Yes, Mister.
The new rule said,
The area of a triangle ABC equal half multiply the product of two sides multiply sine the included angle.
so 1 minute. Yazan, you can see that it will be half multiply
AC multiply BC multiply sine.
1 minute, I will show you. It will be half multiply AC multiply BC, AC, BC. Oh, What is the included angle between AC and BC? It's angle C. You can see its name, the angle C, repeated in the name of the two sides, in the names of the two sides. So sine the angle C. For example, so please repeat, for the last time, repeat the rule again. The area of the triangle, Yazan?
1/2 multiply the product of two
What's the meaning of
sides.
product, Yazan?
Means multiply them by each
Multiply, the answer of the multiplication. So half multiply the product. So I'll take two sides and I'll multiply the two sides. So half multiply the product of two sides, multiply what?
Sine the included angle.
You can use the calculator now. Now you can use the calculator to find sine the included angle. So
Yes.
let's take example. Look at this triangle. We have the triangle ABC. He's asking me to find the area of the triangle. And the givens are AC equals 6 centimeters, BC equals 8 centimeters, and the measure of the included angle equals 30 degrees. How to find the area of this triangle? Thanks, Yazan. We need one of my daughters. Lean?
Yes.
Can you find the area of this triangle, my daughter?
Yes. It is half.
1 minute, I
by-
write. It will be half.
Half by 6 by 8.
Multiply 6, multiply 8. Excellent.
Yes. Multiply sin.
Multiply
Sine
sine. Very
30.
good. Multiply sine what?
30.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Excellent. Doctor, can you use your calculator to find the answer?
Yes, 1 second.
Yes, I'm with you. I'm waiting.
Okay.
If it's 24,
12.
12 or 24? 12. 12, you are true.
12.
12. So 1 minute. So how to find it's a 12? Your answer 12 is true. So it will be 1/2 multiply 6. 1/2 multiply 6 equal 3. Half the number 6 is 3. 3 multiply 8 equals 24. Now I'll multiply 24 by sine 30. Sine 30 equals 1/2. 24 multiply 1/2 equals it. 1 minute. This is the answer. So it will be half multiply 6 multiply 8 multiply sine 30, and the answer is 12 centimeters square. It's too hard. Okay, Lean, can you tell me the difference between the first rule and the second rule? Why we need the second rule? We have the first rule. The first rule said the area of the triangle equal half multiply base multiply height. So why we need the second rule?
Because here we don't have the height of the triangle.
Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Very good. You are super excellent. Thank you. So because we don't have height here, we will use the second rule because we don't have height. According to the givens are two sides and the measure of the included angle. So the area of the triangle equal half multiply the product of the two sides multiply sine the included angle. Okay. Now, in your book, page number 300, exercise number 1, 27.19, number 1. He said, calculate the surface area of the regular tetrahedron. Tetrahedron means a pyramid, but triangular pyramid. Do you know the meaning of triangular pyramid? Triangular pyramid means all the sides or all the faces are triangles. All the faces of it are triangles. So this is the meaning of tetrahedron. And he said regular tetrahedron. So all the sides now equals 2 centimeters. So we have equilateral triangles. And the side of each triangle is 2 centimeters. I need someone to solve with me. Shahd?
Mister, I raised my hand because I have a question.
Okay, so 1 minute. You will solve, then I'll answer your question. Okay?
Okay.
You will solve with me first. Say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
How many faces of the tetrahedron? How many triangles you can see it? We are in page
4.
number 300, question exercise 27.19, exercise 1. How many triangles in the yellow pyramid?
4.
4, excellent. Can you find the area of each triangle?
Surface area or area?
How to find the area of each triangle?
Have pH.
But we don't have height.
Uh,
It's an equilateral triangle. Each side is 2 centimeters. How to find the area of this triangle? It's hard.
half time product of 2 sides times sine.
Excellent. Multiply sine the included angle, but we don't have the included angle. 1 minute. I'll write what you said. You said half multiply the product of 2 sides. One of the sides will be 2 and the other side also will be 2. That's right?
Yes.
It's great. So multiply sine the included angle. Can you tell me what will be the measure of this angle?
60.
Imagine.
60.
Excellent. Can you give me a reason why it's 60?
Because it's an equilateral triangle.
You are super excellent. Very good, really. So it's 180 divided 3 equal angles. So each angle will be 60 degrees. Doctor, can you find now the area of this triangle?
I'll
Sure,
use my
yes.
calculator.
You can use your calculator to find it. That's right.
Oh.
Do you have calculator?
1.6.
1.6 is the area of what?
One triangle.
One triangle. And you told me how many triangles we have?
4.
So you will multiply this area by 4 to find the total surface area of the pyramid. I think it's too hard.
6.5, right?
So any answer, you know the method now, you can find the result. That's right?
Yes.
You are excellent. Thank you. Now you can ask.
Mister, in the question you answered above.
Which one?
And the question you answered above.
In the paper or in the book?
In the paper.
In the paper, yes. This one.
Yes, I got the answer 10.9.
So you wrote 1/2
times 6 times 8 sine 30.
times 30 or times sine 30?
Times sine 30.
The answer is what?
10.9.
Okay, so press shift.
What?
9. 3.
I didn't understand.
Again, press shift. 9.
Yes.
Finish?
Yes.
Shift 9 3 equal AC. Shift 9 3 equal AC. And do and do it again, it will be 12.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Now, so today, alhamdulillah, we learned the second rule of how to calculate the area of the triangle. The rule said the area of the triangle equal half the product of 2 sides multiply sine the included angle. Half the product of 2 sides multiply sine the included angle. My sons and daughters, your homework will be page number 121 in your workbook. Only page number 121. 121. See you the next week. I hope you understood everything and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.